Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about model groups, how we can create the model groups, and the most modern thing, how we can give the tags to model group. That's very hectic and repetitive task for us if we are having, single type of model groups at multiple locations, and we have to give the manual texts right there till the 2022 because till 2022 sorry till 2020 okay sorry till 22 we are not having the feature of giving the model text, but in Revit 2023 and in future versions, Revit will give us the feature of model group tags. But if you're working in 2022 and lower that version, we are not having any features of tags for model groups. So in that scenario, how we can, reduce our repetitive task and give the accurate tags for those kind of model groups. So let's start. So let's create something right here. So I'll go with mm, let's make some toilet. Okay, let's align the wash basin right there, and maybe one to WC. Okay, let's make it a little bit fine. So fine. So let's try to create the model group for this one. Select all the elements, press GB command, or this is the option that's going right there. So let's escape, click on this one, the same kind of pop-up will be coming. So I'm giving the name to this one as toilet dash one. Fine. So this is our one model group. So what I'll do is that I'll copy this one for three locations. Why? You'll know. So as of now, let me duplicate it as toilet 2. You can modify this one, but right now I'll go with the same way. For example, if you cannot recognize that which one is toilet 1, which one is toilet 2, and which one is toilet 3, that is why I'm going with that way. But you can modify definitely, and you can create different groups as well. So let's okay. So I'll randomly copy and paste this one. Oh, sorry, and different locations. Fine. Let's go with toilet 2. Copy from right here. Different locations. Again, perfect. And now toilet 3. So this is 2, 3, 5. Perfect. Now if I'll ask you which one is toilet 1, 2, or 3 without selecting them, you cannot judge them because all looks are same. And if I'll tell you, just tag them all with accurate name. That will be very hectic for us, right? So, what is the better way to do that thing if you're working in Revit 2022 and lower versions then? So, for that one, what I'll simply do, let me check which one is toilet one. Yeah, this is 1, 2, and 3, I guess. Yeah, correct. So, let's go with one tax that I wanted to give to toilet 1. Okay. So, sorry, toilet 1. I want to go with this text for toilet 1 and all the toilet 1 toilets. Okay, the same thing I wanted to go with toilet 2 and the same thing with toilet 3. Correct? Fine. But how? Like I cannot manually go with each and everything, correct? So what I'll do, I'll double click on the model group. That will be one feature. Attach, give detail group name. Let me give the same name so that we can know that this toilet one detail group will be assigned to model group toilet one, correct? We can give any name and click on the toilet one text that you want to attach with the toilet one model group. Click on OK, click on finish. Now you can see only this particular toilet only has the same text. But if I'll right click on that one, select all instance, as of now, we have, placed all the toilets in the same view. So I'll go with the visible in view option. If you have, if you wanted to give the same thing for entire project, you can go with that one as well. So now what I'll do is that I have selected all the toilet one, correct? I'll go right here, attach detail groups. I'll check this box toilet one, click on OK. Now all the toilet one model groups will have the same toilet one tag with them. Fine. Also, if I'll create one more thing right there, it does not have, right? Click on that one, attach detail group, check this box, click on OK. It'll be right there. Perfect. Now the same thing you can do with this one. Now I'll go with a little bit faster way because I already mentioned how to do it. Detail 2. Okay. Select, finish, finish. Right click, select all instance, visible in view, attach. Okay. Fine. All the toilet 2. Same thing we can do with the toilet 3. I'm not going to do that thing. But for example, also one more thing. If you wanted to move this particular model group, your tag will also move with this one. That's very unique feature with this one. Also, for example, you wanted to, mention something else right there. What you can do, detach from this particular model group, you can move it now. Fine. Now it's not attached with this one. Now if you'll see, all the toilet one are attaching with this one, but this particular text is not. Now you can mention something else right there if you want. For example, you want to mention toilet 4, you can mention it. Right. Click on finish. It's fine. So that's also you can do. You can detach that one if you want to move somewhere else. That also a unique feature. So I guess you are having a proper understanding now that how you can utilize this particular command, correct? So if you are having multiple groups or the same group at multiple location, you do not need to worry. You just use this particular text command and it'll be a miracle. You do not need to check the accuracy of that one because it's already set. But in that scenario, just make sure your group names are okay. It's like that. If you are having placing with the same all group, it'll be the same one. So I guess it'll be very useful if you are using Revit 2022 and lower versions. So that's all guys for this one. Let's meet in my next video. Thanks for watching this one.